Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious and healthy chicken vegetable sauce that tasted so super delicious. Honestly, you can enjoy this with white rice, spaghetti, or in whichever way you prefer. So guys, please watch this video to the end. You will love this recipe, and let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to be needing hard chicken, as you can see here, properly cleaned and cut. So I poured it into a pot and went ahead to season with some ginger and garlic paste, some chopped onions at your taste. Okay, so I added some salt to taste.
As long as it concern belle, you know who to call.
Season cubes, feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. I added some soy sauce,
It might be, it's always a
thyme,
perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back.
mix to combine, add some water, stir and cover and allow to cook until it is properly done. Okay, if you have watched our video up to this point, it means you love our recipes. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for joining. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. Here are some of the ingredients needed for this recipe. We have cabbage, carrots, mixed bell pepper, mushroom. Okay, so the next is to go ahead and prep them. So here I started with the cabbage. Okay, cut to your desired size. To my returning subscribers, to those that share my videos, that watch my videos, I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. May the good Lord bless you guys. I love you all.
Belle they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you did.
Here we have broccoli. So I went ahead to remove it from the stem. Yeah, already washed. Okay, so after that, set aside.
Put score we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution.
Now we are done prepping all the vegetables needed for this recipe. The next is to mix our sauce binder. Yeah, I added little in a plate or bowl and mix with little water. Once done, set aside. Feel free to use any thickener of your choice. Now back to the chicken. Yeah, so I opened it. As you can see, the chicken is properly cooked. Okay, stir. Once done stirring, now it's time to season it up. So I added some curry powder. You can as well add any seasonings of your choice. I added some pepper, add to your taste, some carrots. Now I added the mushroom. Mix until everything is well combined. Once done, I added little water. Okay, you need to be careful not to overwater this sauce. Okay, so now I added the sauce binder and some little water. Okay, the sauce binder is going to serve as thickener to this. Okay,
They rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit.
I added the broccoli mixed to combine. Okay, Once done, cover and allow to cook until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Alright?
Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
Minutes later, I checked on the pot. Wow, guys, can you see it has taken to my desired consistency? Okay, so I went ahead and give it a properly stir. So the next, I added some mixed bell pepper and mix to combine.
It's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this.
Finally, I added the cabbage gradually. Okay, as we're adding, you will be stirring. Okay.
Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
At this point, we are done adding the cabbage. Okay, now cover the pot and allow to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so we don't overcook the vegetables. 1 minute later, I checked on the pot. Wow, it is ready. Yeah, almost. So I gave it a properly stir to mix until everything is well combined. Now turn off the cooker and it is ready.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime,
Now that everything is well combined, it is time to serve. Guys, this sauce tasted so super delicious. Honestly, you will love this recipe. You can enjoy this with white rice, spaghetti, or in whichever way you prefer. Okay, the full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box below. So go there and grab yours and enjoy this amazing and delicious recipe. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next one and remember blessed. Bye bye.
so anytime, any place where you live.